Hello everyone, today we will be tearing apart this dirt cheap AliExpress toothbrush that I think was $3. I've had it for a couple months and I don't really want to break it, but I just want to show you how such a thing works. So, let's start. First we gotta pull off this brush head. A little tough. There we are. Now there's this little nub that it just fits together like so. There's a little hole on the other side. Now we can press it down to pop off this little cap on the end. There we are. So here's the micro USB charging port attached to a little PCB. Then we got two wires coming down to this thing over here that's probably ended up being a little hard to pull out. Maybe we need a bit of a persuasion tool. It's just a screwdriver. Or just pull it out. Technical difficulties, please stand by. Okay, here we go. So, this is the meat and potatoes of the toothbrush, none of this case nonsense. So we have the USB charging port connecting to this little circuit over here, which has a small mysterious integrated circuit, if you can see here. It's this little black thing. Two LEDs to indicate the state of the charging. One lights up red when it is charging, then when the battery is full at 4.2 volts, it switches on this little green one over here. You can't really tell the color, but these are service mount LEDs, so it doesn't really matter. I would assume that there is an inductor on the back side of this PCB, but since this thing is held in with little plastic clips, and I don't want to end up breaking them. Then on the other side, we have a small microcontroller, I assume. And then there is a button, a transistor, it seems like, and two motors that are coming. I think they might actually come directly from the battery, but they go to this small DC motor over here, which has a weight attached to it. And when it spins, this little weight vibrates to and the geometry of the toothbrush focuses those vibrations to the tip. And the battery is a 3.7 volt lithium ion cell. It's this big gray blob. I can even take it out. Here it is. It's pretty much the same size as a standard AA battery, but has quite a bit of a higher voltage. I would show the voltage to you, but unfortunately my multimeter is out of commission, or in other words, it's dead, so I won't be able to show that to you. But and just to demonstrate, here's the button with a little gold-colored switch, and then on the plastic there is a little power button that you probably can't see, maybe with the lights turned down. Yeah, it's right there. You can probably barely see it. So I'm just gonna run it with the case off, so you can see how this would work. So here it is when the LED lights up, and that motor with the weight is vibrating, and then when I press this button, it switches to a different mode, and the motor vibrates in different ways. There we are. And then, if I was to plug it in, oh no, whatever. The charging indicator over here lights up red. Maybe with the lights out it would be easier to tell. Right there it lights up red, and then when the battery reaches 4.2 volts it turns green. And oddly enough, there appear to be two small buttons. I mean, you probably can't see anything since this new camera has absolutely terrible zoom. But yeah, so that's the teardown of the otherworldly cheap AliExpress toothbrush. Bye.